Hi, welcome back to my channel. Before I continue the video, don't forget to subscribe and click the lonceng. Thank you guys. Wow guys, I have a lot of cars in the I don't know. I want to take out the cars. Wow guys, and help me to assemble the car guys, because a lot of car broke guys. Oh my god, it's difficult for me. Wow guys, it's difficult for me guys. Wow guys. Wow, the first one guys. Wow, the first one. This is excavator car. As we know, this is Bego car. It has green color. Wow. Oi, the lamp is broke. Wow. Oh my god. There is no driver here. Do you wanna be a driver guys for driving this car? Wow, do you want guys? Wow, so good guys. This is excavator car guys. It's still well. Oh, but the second car, wow, the second car is yep, good. This is truck car. Wow, oh my god, this is broke guys. Do you wanna help me to assemble this car guys? Huh? Do you want? Oh, so thank you guys. Wait a minute. Wow. Whoa. Oh, so dang. I'm so sad. I'm so sad guys. Wow, this is the second car. Yeah, this is part of truck car. Yep, this is the head of truck car. Wow, truck car has yellow head. Oh my god, so amazing guys, amazing. The yellow car. Wow, so amazing guys. Wow, there is no driver too. And I wanna assemble. Wow, wait, this is almost green. This is, what the color is it? Yeah, this is yellow but almost green, right? Wow, it's so amazing. Wow, guys, this is the second car. Oh, so the combined color is gorgeous combined color. Yes. Wow. Whoa. Wow. I want to put it here. Wow, the first car and the second car, and then I wanna put the third car. So always like this guys. Yeah, always like this. Oh my god, so always like this guys. Wow, so guys, there is sound guys. Oh my god, so Wow, guys. Wow, wow. Amazing, guys. Amazing combined color, guys. Guys. It has blue and white color, isn't it? Wow, yeah. It's so beautiful. I don't know there is driver into the truck or not, guys, because yeah, I can't see the driver because yeah, black color. Wow, guys, so gorgeous, guys. I like this sun. Oh no, I like this sun, guys. Wow. So guys, this is the third car. Wow, third car, and I want to put it at the fourth car. Fourth car. Where is fourth car, guys? Whoa, fourth car. This is, yep, this is police car. Wow, the color just gray. Wow, gray. Police. Woo. Yeah, guys, this is broke. Lose the lamp of this car, guys. This is lamp, guys. It should be lamp, but the lamp is gone. Lose the lamp of this car, guys. Oh, so sad. Yeah, fourth car. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, the fourth car, and I want to put it the 5. What? Yeah, this is part of truck car. And jang, the 5th car. Wow, the 5th car. Mini car. Ahoy. The 5th car is mini car. Wow, guys, there is no driver here, and so there is no door, guys. Wow, but the color is so bright. It's so bright, guys. Wow, it's so small. Oh my god, lose the wheel of this car, guys. Whee! Hoi. And yeah, this is the 5th car, and I want to put it at the 6th car. This is the last car, guys. The last car. Wow, guys. Wow, I found the new car. Yeah, is it no new car, guys? This is no car. This is Tayo, guys. And no, this is train. Oh my god, I forgot the name. Yeah, this is train. Thomas, guys. Thomas train. Wow. This is Thomas train. Wow. Oh my god. There is door, but cannot open. It cannot open. Wow, this is Thomas train. Oh my god, it's so cute. The Thomas train. Oh. Wow, guys. There is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is 5 cars and 1 train. Wow, thank you, guys. When you like this video and you wanna watching the other video, don't forget to like, and thank you, guys. Love you.